Hello, my name is Adam. Today I'm in London, and I am very happy. I want to see the Big Ben, and I want to drink real English tea. But suddenly, I have a problem. My green bag is gone. I look everywhere, left, right, behind me, in front of me, but it is not here. I feel scared, because my money is inside that bag. My phone is inside that bag. Everything is inside that bag. What do I do? Okay, Adam. Stay calm. Use simple words. I see an officer nearby. I walk to him slowly. I take a deep breath, and I say, "Excuse me, sir, I have a problem. I cannot find my luggage." The officer looks at me and says, "Luggage? What does it look like?" I say, "It is a green suitcase, a big green suitcase." The officer nods and says, "Let me check. What is your flight number?" I think for a moment, and I say, "My flight number is PK302. The officer looks at his computer. He types slowly. He reads carefully. Then he stops. He looks at me with a serious face, and he says, "Adam, we have a big problem." I feel my heart stop. A big problem. What is the problem? You will find out in the next video. Subscribe to follow my story.